everyone, my name is Jenny. I have been working in 5-star hotels for more than 10 years, and I'm here to share with you some tips that your hotel school teachers might not have taught you before. When you work as a duty manager, have you ever asked yourself why I have so many complaint cases happen during my shift, but the other duty manager, they looks relaxed and having a smooth day? Today I'm not going to tell you how to handle a complaint case, but I want to share with you a trick that you can also become the lucky duty manager having a smooth day. I don't know how smooth your day is, but I could tell you I was the queen of bad luck. During my shift, I always have a lot of complaints to handle or critical situation like system down that I have to deal with it. Sometimes case after another that I would pray for myself. Stop it. Come on, not me again. Give me a break. But when I look at other duty manager, their shifts looks fine. And there was a long period of time that I truly believe I am the unlucky one. Or, of course, it is me. How many more cases that could happen on me today? Positive side is I could experience different kinds of complaints and develop the skills to handle different kinds of situations. However, on the other side, it is quite painful and exhausted every day. Until a year ago, I read about the law of attraction from the internet, and suddenly I realized I might be the one attracting all these negative situations to myself for all these years. There are many videos about the law of attraction that you can find on YouTube, so I'm not going to spend time to explain to you in details. Basically, law of attraction is about releasing the positive energy to attract the positive energy. When we are negative, we are releasing the negative frequency that will attract more negative things happen on us. Also, our subconscious mind is very powerful. If we always think, I am the unlucky one, then unlucky things will continue to happen to make your statement valid. If we think I always encounter many difficult situations or complaints during my shift, then more critical situations or complaints will happen during your shift. Maybe you have doubts. Really? That easy? Just give it a try. It works for me. Of course, I'm not saying that there is no more complaints happen in my shift, but the frequency is much less than before and the situation becomes less difficult to resolve. When you receive a complaint to handle, before you call back the guest or talk with the guest, try to close your eyes and take 2 to 3 deep breaths like this. Think in your mind with a smile. Positive things is going to happen on me. I'm so lucky to handle this situation because my positive energy is going to bring me a positive result. Magical thing is going to happen on you, and you will find out the situation is not so bad, or somehow the guest is not as angry or complicated as you think. I start using this method to change my mindset. It works for me, and I hope it works for you too. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. My name is Jenny. So please feel free to send me any challenge or critical situation at the front desk that you don't know how to handle, and I'm happy to share my advice with you in the next video. Thank you very much. Goodbye.